get you out of my mind.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For all those who are new, hello, my name is Shivani and today's video is gonna be a purple.com haul. So I recently purchased few of the products from purple.com, like these many products from purple.com. So if you want to know what all I've got, then please keep on watching. But before that, please do consider subscribing my channel if you like this video. And now let's get started. So without any particular order, let me just dig into the products that I have with me. So first one is this, and they all came separately bubble wrapped as usual. Okay, so first one are these Stay Quirky Kohl pencils. Now if you know me, you know that I love this product and I'm getting nostalgic a little bit because the first ever video on my channel was a purple.com haul / unboxing, and usme bhi I showed you these ones. That time I got 6 I guess, because there was an amazing offer going on and purple.com पे बहुत अच्छे offers चलते ही रहते हैं. So you guys must keep checking it, and yeah, this time I got 2 of them. Next one right in here are these NY Bay Runway matte lipstick with argan oil. Now my sister is a huge fan of this shade right here. That is the shade number 20, Stage Wear. So she thought let's just try other colors from this variant, and then she got shade number 9, Peekaboo. So yeah, both of these are for her, and yeah, they are really nice pinkish nudes. Should I show you the swatches? Why not? This one's Stage Wear and this one's Peekaboo. Okay, so that was it for the first bubble wrap, and now moving on to the second one. And right in here we have these 2. Okay, so let's just talk about this one first. It's the Aroma Magic Sunblock Lotion, which is meant for all the skin types. Now I ordered this for my sister because she has a combination skin type, leading dry. So since it's in a lotion form, I thought it will be great for her, but after I received it, I got to know that it is a mattifying sunscreen lotion. So when you apply it, initially it feels so dry on your skin, but it gets back to normal after some time. But the smell, you guys, it smells like chemical factory, like it smells like those of the medicated creams. That's what it smells like. But yeah, other than that, it's a really good sunscreen. Now the next thing right in here is this Stay Quirky's primer. It's a silicone based primer. Now I did not like it. The reason being is that when I try to spread it, it separates into kind of little granules or chunks which keep on shedding from my face, and I don't know what's the reason behind it, and it isn't even expired. So I don't know if that's the case with me only or other people also out there. Please let me know if you have tried this. Okay, so moving on to our third bubble wrap, and we just got one more after this. So I have these, I'm sorry you guys for the background noises, these kids just won't stop, like sabko abhi khelna hai. Okay, so right in here I have this Nivea whitening deodorant in the roll-on form. Now if you know me, you know that I like to use products from the same range. Like if I have to buy a scrub, a moisturizer, a face wash, then I like to use all from the same range. Also, I think in my first ever video I shared that I got that turmeric wala face wash just because I had the scrub. So yeah, and for this one I also have that spray bottle wala form in the same range. So yeah, and I'm gonna use both. So along with this one, I also got the Amsterdam's liquid lipstick. It was a free gift from purple.com. There was some offer going on, I believe. So I can't really remember the shade name, but it was a dark pink kind of shade and it was way too dark for my liking, so I gifted it to one of my friends. Okay, so guys, moving on to our last package. Now exciting. Okay, so we have 4 products right in here. So okay, watch this. 1, 2, 3. Clearly it's repurchase for this sunscreen. By the way, it is Aroma Magic's Aloe Vera Sunscreen Gel, and it is meant for oily skin people. Now, as you know, my skin is super duper oily. It suits me so well and I love it. I like the fact that it doesn't leave any white cast over your face since it's a gel formulation. So yeah, the only down part about this sunscreen is that it is SPF, it's clear gel. So yeah, I was saying that the only down part about this sunscreen is it is SPF 20, so it doesn't provide much of the sun protection. So yeah, by the way, if you are wondering, they both are not for me. One is for my friend, she's also an oily skin beauty, so yeah, I got one for her. Okay, so the second last product right in here is this Biotics Bio Papaya Tan Removal Scrub. Now this one, my sister got it for herself and we had it in the tub packaging earlier, and again it's a repurchase. Now it's really great for removing the blackheads and the whiteheads. For the tan removal thing, I'm not really sure, but for the blackheads and whiteheads, it's a really great product. Okay, so the last one right in here is the NY Bay Concealer, Contour and Color Corrector Palette. Okay, so I have used it quite a bit now. It looks like this. It has 3 shades. One is the concealer, the contour and the color corrector, and I got it in the shade number, like the variant 8, because this one I thought would be the best for wheatish skin tone, and my skin tone is wheatish skin tone. So yeah, this is how it looks like. It comes with a little brush thingy which is of no use actually. Okay, so guys, that was it for today's video and my box is empty now. And I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also comment down below your reviews about that Stay Quirky's primer, because I really want to know that. And yeah, with that, bye bye, I take your leave and we'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.